Hello and welcome to this video, where I'm going to be showing you how to use instant players in Dareta Radio Automation. When you launch Dareta, you'll see the instant players on the right hand side of your screen. There's 12 of them in total and they act like carts. As you can see, the instant players come set up with some audio. We've got sweepers 1 to 3, in players 1 to 3, and jingles 1 to 5, in players 7 to 11. There's 12 players in total, and we can trigger them using the F12, and we can trigger them using the F keys, for example F1, by clicking on them. You can click to start and click to stop. That also applies for the F keys. If you want to load up your own audio, simply right click and press load track into instant player. Then head over to where your file is stored, select it, open it, and it's in there straight away. When a player is playing, you can see it flashes, it's highlighted white, and we have a status bar and countdown over here on the right hand side. This applies for all players. Now each player acts independently, so I can play 2 at once and they'll overlap. Again, clicking them to stop. If you right click on a player, it gives us lots of options. For example, we can edit the cue points of it. We've covered this in a previous video. As well as turning on loop. This means that when you click it, it will keep looping until you click it again to stop. As you can see, it looped itself again straight away without me having to press anything. Another option includes fade tracks on stop. When this is enabled, when the track stopped, the default fade tab is applied in order to avoid an immediate stop of the sound being played. Another option is fade previous tracks on start next. This means the instant players are not independent anymore. Starting a new player will cause the previously playing track to fade. The default fade type is applied here. For example, if I play instant player 1, then 2, it immediately fades the previous player, and then again starts the next one. We can also instantly add a track from an instant player into the rotational playlist by clicking the Add Track to Main Playlist or Rotation. The software then immediately inserts it as the next item, so we can see the current item is Jingle 2, and it becomes the next item. This menu also allows us to remove tracks by pressing the Remove button, as well as creating sets. So each presenter could make a set, or you could have a set for a certain show, or a global set of imaging, or whatever you like in there. To save a set, you can either right click and press Save, or you can press the J key on your keyboard. You can then head over to your data folder, or whatever you want to save it, call it what you want, and save. Then if you want to load a set, simply press I, or right click and load, find the set you want, and open it up. It then gets loaded into the instant players. You can move the instant players about. For example, if you wanted them beneath the track info display and above the main playlist, you can press the Collapse IP button. This will move them to this area of the software and allows the right hand side for event view, automation players fade control, as well as the files view or rotation view. In the files view, you can quickly load audio into an instant player. For example, if I wanted to load a jingle, click on the file, right click, and then load into instant player. You can then either overwrite a current player or load it into an empty slot. I'll load it into slot number 4. You can immediately see that the audio is then inserted into the player up here. That's all on instant players. Thank you for watching.